Hi, this is Ratan Gupta from Knowledge Varsity. In this video session, I will explain how to use text function to clean a data. So in this example, a student name is given, but it has name, roll number and email ID. We have to use text function to break this into name, roll number and email ID. To understand this, you have to see the pattern. So you can see that this is the part which has the name, this is the part which has the roll number, and this is the part which has the email address. So you can see here, this is the delimiter which is separating the name from roll number and email ID. Then this is the delimiter which is separating roll number and first name from the email address. So how do we extract the full name and how do we extract the email ID, roll number? We need to first try and search the delimiter. I will search the delimiter. So what is the delimiter here? The delimiter is double semicolon. This I am searching in this text. Note that if I give a start num, I can give. If I don't give, it takes from the first. So in this case, since I am searching for the delimiter from here, I ignore the start num and I enter. So it has given me 13. It means that the 13th location is here where it has found the delimiter. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and the 13th location. We have to get the name. Now the name will be from 1 to 13 minus 1 because 13 is this semicolon and there is a space between them. I have to write a function left and 12, right? But we'll see that we don't have to write 12, we have to use this function. So what we'll do is we'll write left this text comma 12. We have to see whether the name is coming. Yes, name is coming. But instead of this 12, we have to use this function. So nested we have to do. So I'll remove this 12, search semicolon 2 times A3 and I have to do minus 1 because this search A3 is giving 13. Okay, so minus 1 we do and we will get it. So minus 1 and we get it. And this is what you have to write it in the full name. So in the full name, I don't want any hard coding to be done. There is no hard coding except this. This has come because we know that there is a one space before the value that was to be searched. We have to get the roll number. Now for roll number search, we have to search, either I can search this or I can search this entire thing. Let me search for this less than sign. So what do we do is, we will search for, okay, make sure that there is no less than sign anywhere else. Since there is no, I can search for less than, but to be doubly sure, I can search for this text, that is less than $hash, entire thing I can search. And within this text, and I'm starting from the number 1. So it has given me in 23rd. Next I have to do is I have to again search for the text because I want to extract the roll number which is here, which is between this and this. So let me search this semicolon. Okay, start num we are not giving. So I have got 13 and 23. Now I will place mid function and I will say this is the text and the starting number is 13. But please note that 13 will be this. We know that this roll number is coming 13, 14, 15. So I have to add on that plus 2. And then it is asking for the number of character. Number of character will be the value 23 here minus 13 here. You have to understand that 13 is this, 14, 15. There are two more values are there. So you have to say 23 minus 13 minus 2, that were the extra characters that had come. And you can see that I have got the roll number. So I will explain again. First you are searching this, the location is 23. Then you are searching for this semicolon, the location is 13. Then you are using the mid function and you are saying that I want to get the value starting from 13 plus 3 and I don't have to give ending, I have to give the difference. 23 minus 13, 3. We have got 1 semicolon, 2 semicolon and 1 space. So that's why this 3 has come over here, right? So this is the formula. But since I can't refer like this A6, I have to use whatever is the formula in A6. which is this search. So I will replace this here, I will replace this here, and A5, which is this search, I will replace this here. So the best way to learn this search function is to do trial and error, then only you can learn. So this is right. The next part, so this is easy, this was the toughest, and this email ID is also easy. Why easy? Let's see. So in case of email ID, I will search for this pattern. I know the location of this pattern 23. Okay, now I know after this pattern this entire thing is the email address. So what we'll do is we'll see write, and we'll say this is the text and I want some number of characters. Please note that write needs number of characters. So I can say that total length of this will be something minus 23, which is this, minus 1 2. Okay, so 23 minus, so I will get the length. So what is the length? Length of this string is 60. Now I know that 60 is the total length. This is 23rd. So 24, 25. So 60 minus 25 is this. If I write, hard code it, it will come this. 60 minus 25 is 35. So I have got this full name. But I can't do this hard coding. So what we have to do is we have to do this length 60 minus 23. But we have to do more 2 because of this dollar and hash. So we have to write this 2 and then we get this, right? So now A4 I cannot use directly, so that is nothing. A4 we have already seen, it is the length of this, so we'll use the length. And A5 was search for the text this dollar hash comma within this text comma, right? So we got it. So actually this will be your answer. Okay, so definitely this is on the tougher side, but I want you to play. If you play and try, you may fail, but this is the idea. So with this idea you should be able to solve all other things. So the pattern I have given is different patterns have come. So you have to understand what are the patterns and then apply the concept that I have taught you in this video. Thank you.